Jim Juback, and welcome to this week's Hot Button Moves Now. This week's Hot Button Move is by ASML Holding. Now, this company is the only global manufacturer of the very highest cutting edge chip making equipment. This is ultraviolet etching equipment that lets you shrink the size of your chips and get more transistors on a chip, more power for less silicon. And this is where the cutting edge is. Everybody's moving down from 12 to 10 to 5 to 3. 2 is the next one, and they're the only game in town. Earnings yesterday, earnings report on Tuesday the 16th, disappointing. That basically the company said, hey, you know, we're seeing a big holdup in orders. We're not going to see what we thought we were going to see. This suggests that for the next quarter or two, our guidance is going to be out of date. Huge drop in earnings. Huge drop in orders. Stock takes a hit. But as I say, this is the only player in town, only player in this game in town. Really important game for everything from AI to the cloud to anything that pushes the envelope toward a smaller chip size. So I'd use this weakness to buy it. ASML Holding, Dutch company, ticker is ASML. It's not cheap, but then it's never going to get cheap because I think this is truly, we talk a lot about unicorns. This really is a unicorn. There ain't nobody else out there doing this. And this equipment is so complicated and so expensive that I don't see really a competitor emerging. The Chinese are trying to grab a hunk of the chip making equipment industry, but I don't see them making inroads at the very high upper end, as well as that it's very clear that one of the troubles that the company has is that we're involved in geopolitics and competition between the U.S. and China about who's going to control this technology, with the U.S. saying, hey, you can't export it to China. So managing orders is really crucial here. For this quarter, orders went, and I think that gives you an opportunity to buy because orders are not going to stay down there. Any order that's canceled now is really not canceled; it's just delayed, and it'll come back in a future quarter. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way, you get notification when we do our next one. We're trying to do about 3 a week. If you want more of my free stuff, including the 5-year portfolio that holds ASML, you can go to my free site, that's jubackpicks.com. 3 portfolios, long-term, that's 5 years, dividends, and 12 to 18 months. If you want more of my posts a day, usually about 3 posts as opposed to 1 or 2, plus an extra 3 portfolios, 1 for ETFs, 1 for volatility, and 1 for really long-term plays. Subscribe to my paid site, that's jubackam.com. You find links to all those down below, as well as a link to, I moved, been a long-term dream to live in Italy, did finally pull the ripcord on that in September 2023. Publishing free subs, my wife and I are publishing a free Substack called We Moved to Italy, catchy, no? And as I said, it's on Substack. It's free. You can subscribe for free, get into your mailbox for free. Comment. Now, let us know what you think. If you've got a restaurant suggestion, we're moving to Sicily for the summer. Got a restaurant suggestion in Sicily. We're going to be on the slopes of Mount Etna, which right now is still fuming. Anyway, we'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe on all that stuff down below. Thanks very much for watching.